This is a quick tutorial on how I built an Arduino garage door remote control that works over Wi-Fi. The main drive behind the project was to let myself into the house if I did not have keys on me, and I later set up port forwarding so that I could open the remote door to let the cleaner in if I wasn't at home, and also added a reed switch to notify me when the door was in fact either open or closed. The main pieces of equipment you will need for this project are an Arduino, an Ethernet shield, a 5-volt relay, a network cable, some jumper wires, and the Arduino software. Okay, so here's the code. Super simple. It's just put in the IP address that you want to select for the device, the Arduino. It'll be going over port 80, which is the internet, and pin 7 will be driving the relay. Then in the relay I've got, so that's pin 7 over here. You've got 5 volts and ground, and that's going to positive, negative, and the input there. And on the other side I'll be connecting, just to test it, just a couple of Cat 5 cables that then go up to the garage module up there. And just to test it out, we've got these connected into the 0 volts, as you can see there, and OSC, which is the open stop close. Okay, so we have just uploaded that onto the Arduino, and as you can see, it's already activated the relay. But just to confirm that it's actually getting through to the internet, so we've got that's the address there on the local LAN, and here is the website that it brings up. So if we turn the relay, it's on the state of off now. If we turn it on, you just hear the relay click, and there you go. Turn it on again. Yep, and you can see that the relay clicks on. So once we hook that up to the garage, we should be able to test it out. Okay, so we've got it all hooked up now. USB is powering the Arduino. The Arduino is connected to the local LAN, into the router. The relay is connected to 5 volts and ground and pin 7 to drive the inputs and outputs. And you've got normally closed and ground, or common here, and then that is going all the way up to the garage door opener, which has a 0 volts and open stop close. So if we on, see the garage door is opening. The garage door is stopped, and the garage door is coming back down again. So there we have it. Now just to tidy it up, 3D print a case, and then put it into action. So we got it just in a case here. Pop the lid on, put a bit of double-sided tape on the back, and we'll be able to stick it to the top. Okay, so we got inputs into the ground, 0 volts, and open stop close going into Arduino box there, and then plug it into the power point. And here is the finished product, all in the case, powered go to the computer. Hear the garage door opening.